White Plain and Plainview. This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 395 and 451. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 17. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 539 remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Virginia, Lee, Russell, Scott, Washington, and Wise, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Bristol, and Norton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources.
Okay, y'all. It's pretty still as far as, there's just a very light breeze. And the storm is just to the west of me over the ridge, but lightning struck within 3 miles of my house. So I have taken down the wind chimes, all the little things I had hanging up in here just in case, and I've only got room in the garage for one vehicle, so I tucked Joy in there, and they've been reporting nickel to quarter size hail, so hopefully Epiphany's gonna be okay. All right, I'll let you know what's happening in just a little while.
Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Madison County in western North Carolina, Mitchell County in western North Carolina, Avery County in western North Carolina, northeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Newland to 6 miles northeast of Burnsville to 12 miles east of Marshall, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Spruce Pine, Burnsville, Newland, Mars Hill, Banner Elk, Elk Park, Bakersville, Beech Mountain in Avery County, Crossnor and Sugar Mountain. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western North Carolina.
Okay, temperature just dropped, y'all, and here is the wind. I think I might ought to tuck that window in, so I'm gonna go inside. I went ahead and tucked the window in. It's starting to rain now. Temperature's dropped to 66 degrees. And so far it's just rain, thankfully. The birds that you heard earlier, they all sheltered. They found their little spots to hide and they're sheltering. No more chirping going on out here. Hard to believe. This morning it was beautiful blue sky, not a cloud up there. So these bigger storms that are happening, if y'all are familiar with how the sun has been sending Earth the flares, and it creates geomagnetic storms here, and then in order for Earth to balance out the energy, we are getting these bigger storms every time we're getting the flare impacts. I'll link below this video a couple of sites that folks can check on if they like a little more understanding of some of the changes that are happening now with weather patterns. Getting a little bit of hail. I just talked to my friend Beverly, and she said it was black as night at her house and the trees are bending over. So I brought all the houseplants in. I told them summer vacation was over. I told them I was sorry, but they needed to come inside. I didn't want them to get whipped around and smashed with hail. You can see they're pretty small pieces here. Sliding down the skylight. He seems pretty calm and undisturbed. This is the next wave. Temperature is now 62 degrees. Okay, well, the temperature is holding at 62 Fahrenheit. It's brightening up out here. And I think I just heard one or two birds. Yeah, I hear cardinals. I chopped up some peanuts. I'm going to put them out on the railing for the birds. But first, let's go take a look at the creek. Yeah, not as much mud in it as I thought there might be. So that's really good news. And it's running pretty good. There we go. Hopefully the cardinals will come get something, warm themselves up. Yeah, it seems like there could be a few more showers this evening. The dense, incredibly powerful storms have moved through. No idea what's happened around me, but up here we have been safe. And I am fully and completely grateful for the mountains protecting my home.